Welcome to the self-sufficiency video series. In this episode, we are looking at making your own bathroom products. So in the bathroom, you can often end up with lots of plastic bottles and tubes and of different things. Whereas actually a lot of the products you can actually make just from natural products that you've got at home. And yeah, minimal packaging. If you can buy it from a bulk Whole Foods where you can just put it in your own jar, or you might buy it in a glass jar that you can reuse. So the first one I'm going to make is a coffee body scrub. This is a really beautiful product. You just rub it on yourself in the shower in the morning or at night whenever you have a shower, and yeah, it's beautiful and super easy. So this is coconut oil. Now I've heated this up a little bit so it's gone to a liquid, just so it's easy to stir. So that's 3/4 of a cup of coconut oil. That is a cup of Rapadura sugar, or you can use any sugar. I prefer Rapadura. It's got more minerals in it and the texture's good for a scrub. And a cup of freshly ground coffee. And the other thing is, if you have it in the morning, use it in the morning when you're having a shower. It kind of wakes you up a bit, even though you're not ingesting the coffee. It does feel nice to have that coffee smell in the morning. And then just mix it up. And that's it. So easy. Then I just put it in a glass jar, just reuse, washed. And I just have that in the shower. Now you have to be a bit careful in the shower, obviously, with glass, so put it somewhere safe. And you just pop it in your jar. And your coffee scrub is done. And it's really quite a cheap and easy product to make. Now the one problem you might have is when it goes hard, especially in winter, it gets really solid. So you can add a little bit more, add extra coconut oil, that can make it a bit less solid. There you go, coffee scrub. Okay, so the other product that we are going to make is toothpaste and deodorant, and it's actually the same recipe. So you can either have them in separate containers or you can just have them in the one container. So again, really simple, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, a teaspoon of bicarb soda, mix it up. And yeah, the beauty of this, again, there's no tubes, no packaging. And those tubes, you can't really recycle them or do anything much with them. And then 10 drops of peppermint oil. Or you can choose different oils if you want. Just check what effect it might have on your teeth if you're going to experiment with them. But yeah, this just gives it that sort of fresh, minty taste. And yeah, that's it. Done. It actually works quite well with deodorant. So, yeah, there are some natural deodorants that actually don't really do the job that you want them to do, which is stop you smelling. But this does, because it's about killing off the bacteria or the microbes and that cause you to smell. Yeah, you might want to make a little bit more than that. Just double the quantities. There you go. Toothpaste. So, there. So that really didn't take long at all. It's just things that you usually just have in your house, around the house. And that's a beautiful coffee scrub and toothpaste and deodorant. So if you want to know more, we've got more in this in issue 15 of Pip Magazine. We've got do-it-yourself products there. Also on our website at pipmagazine.com.au, we've got lots of recipes and things for different body products, shampoos and things like that you can make as well. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy making it.